history teacher. Today brought the topic of chapter 2 history, which we were discussing in our classes and as well as we have discussed in the live class. Today this video is going to tell you about why the battle is being fought between the Britisher and the Nawabs of different area, as well as what the all battles are about and its back effect. So before going towards the battles, we just need to know why the battle has been fought. So for this, there are some things which we need to understand. First of all, we know that the Britishers have come for trade. Then how this trade has been shifted towards the better. This is very important question to know if we have been discussing about the battle. For this, the conflicts which has been majorly fought between the company and the Nawabs of Bengal. हमने पढ़ा था बंगाल का concurrence been majorly fought between the company and the Nawabs of Bengal. हमने पढ़ा था बंगाल का concurrence था. Like we have studied that, like in India, here the Bengal, here the what were the company formed their own area, their own factories. Hooghly river में हो factory बनाई, कुछ rights लिए, right? So all that rights, the zamindars rights, trading rights, everything has been taken by the whom? By the from Delhi. And who was there in the Delhi? Aurangzeb. From Aurangzeb, the Mughals. After Aurangzeb, the Mughals. From them, they have took the rights, and those rights were used for trade, and the trade was done without taxes, right? After that, there were different number of conflicts arises between the East India Company as well as between the Nawab of Bengal. What were the conflicts? The conflicts were that the company was getting all the rights, like they've been getting tax free for the trading, they've been getting more profit. The Nawabs of Bengal or the other regional kings, they will be not getting as much profit as compared to then the company is using tax advantage for their private or personal benefits, right? All those things have been rising towards a conflicts, right? फिर ये था हमारा फर्स्ट रीजन है कि कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स फॉर्म हुए नवाब्स में और कंपनी में. देन बट द सिचुएशन चेंज हुई कैसे? डेथ ऑफ औरंगजेब के बाद. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ सिर्फ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स थे, बट द किंग्स और द रीजनल किंग्स वर giving company the rights or something. They've been fulfilling their rights, agree their decisions. Why? Because they thought every decision has been coming from Delhi, coming from Aurangzeb. But when the Aurangzeb died, after that the situations changed, and those situations were changed in which form? First of all, that the Bengal Nawabs जो थे वो उन्होंने अपनी पावर, अपनी army को arrest, they've been arrested by that, and they want to be an independent country. Which were they? Okay, so they arrested, the Nawabs have been arrested with their power and autonomy. Whose power and autonomy? Company's power and autonomy, and that made them independent, right? After becoming independent, what had happened that they want the same rights, same culture, same things which the company was having. Then Murshid Khalid Khan, ये आपको याद रखना है. Murshid Khalid Khan, what he have done, become the Nawab. ये नवाब बन गया. कहाँ का मुर्शिद, कहाँ का नवाब बना था? Do you remember that I told you in your live class? Let me know, okay, and in the comment box. And he was followed by Ali Wadi Khan. उन्होंने अलाई वादी खान के द्वारा फॉलोड किया. मतलब जब ये मर गया, उसके when he died, then the अलाई वादी was been the other king. Then Siraj ud-Daulah, he become the third king. Okay, third Nawab of whose he is the first Nawab, he is second Nawab, and then he is the third Nawab. Of where? Of Nawab of Bengal. To get the answer in this point only. Okay. So where he was the Bengals, where he was the Nawab, he was Nawab in Bengal, right? Then they refused, जो सुरजुद्दौला थे या कुली खान थे, इन्होंने क्या किया? He refused to grant commissions to the company. मतलब वहाँ पे conflicts बने, उन्होंने concessions देने को मना कर दिया कि हम किसी भी टैक्स, जो टैक्स में टैक्स कंसेशंस थे वो हम नहीं देंगे, ठीक है? कंपनी को हम वो टैक्स कंसेशंस नहीं देंगे, क्योंकि हमें भी टैक्स चाहिए अपने रीजन के लिए, हमारे लोगों के लिए. फॉर दिस इज द ओनली रीजन दैट इफ फॉर देयर ओन प्रोग्रेस, फॉर देयर रीजनल प्रोग्रेस, दे सेड दैट वी विल नॉट गिव द कंसेशन टू द कंपनी, एंड दैट ड्यू टू दैट द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स वर इंटेंसिफाइड. धीरे धीरे जो वो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स थे वो इंटेंसिफाइड हो गई, मीन्स वो इंक्रीज हो गए. ओके, देन द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट दैट इज कंपनी हैड एन अदर स्टैंड. कंपनी का अपना एक और स्टैंड था. ही वॉज डिमांडिंग द ड्यूटीज टू बी रिमूव एंड टू फैसिलिटेट. मतलब कंपनी क्या कह रही थी? कंपनी वॉज ऑल्सो स्टैंडिंग एट देयर पॉइंट एंड दे वर सेइंग कि even we are the ones who have been doing trades. So if we are doing trade, we need some rights, we need some benefits, we need some areas where we can work. Okay, they have been making their own forts in the region of the Nawabs. So all that things were being in a different point of view, it has been working out, due to which the other Nawabs were being against company. So when they both come against each other, what happened? The Nawab of Bengal and the company comes against of each other. That time the battle of Plassey has been fought. Okay, वहाँ से हमारी first battle की starting होती. Okay, so how the battle of Plassey has been fought? By these been rising between the Nawabs of Bengal as well as between the English East India Company. Okay, so these 2 points we need to understand. After this we are going to understand the topic that is battle is all about. अब हम समझेंगे कि बैटल कैसे एग्जैक्टली फॉर्म हुई, क्या चीज़ें थी. देखो, जब डेथ ऑफ अलीवरा खान थे, उनकी डेथ के बाद ये बैटल की स्टार्टिंग हुई है. 1756 में ही वॉज डेड. ओके, आफ्टर दैट सिरजुद्दौला वॉज द किंग ऑफ बंगाल. ओके, वो नवाब ऑफ बंगाल फॉर्म हो गए. आफ्टर बिकमिंग द नवाब ऑफ बंगाल, व्हाट हैपेंड? द कंपनी वॉज वरीड. व्हाई द कंपनी वॉज? बिकॉज सिरजुद्दौला जो थे वो कंपनी के अगेंस्ट रूल्स वर्क करते थे. दे वांट दैट आर इंडिया शुड बी वेरी वेल फॉर्म, एज कंपनी शुड गिव द revenue as the other traders are giving, which company don't want. So this was the reason why company was worried about, and the company also want a puppet ruler, and he was not a puppet ruler. और यहाँ पे puppet ruler कौन बने थे? मीर जाफर. ओके, मीर जाफर जो है वो puppet ruler बने थे. अब क्या हुआ? ड्यू टू द इंटरफेरेंस ऑफ कंपनी, जो क्योंकि कंपनी हर रूल्स रेगुलेशन हर चीज़ में इंटरफेयर कर रही थी. अपनी टैक्सेस भी दे हैव ऑन दैट ऑल द टैक्सेस शुड बी फ्री फ्रॉम देयर टैक्सेस, दे शुड डू ट्रेड फ्रीली, एंड देन दे आर टेकिंग द एडवांटेज ऑफ दोज फ्री टैक्सेस. एवरीथिंग इज बीन डन. देयरफॉर सिरजुद्दौला जो थे, ही वॉज नॉट हैप्पी विद द कंपनी. अब वो हैप्पी नहीं थे कंपनी के साथ, तो क्या हुआ? उन्होंने कहा कि आपको अगर हमारे साथ रहना है या अगर आपको हमारे साथ ट्रेड करना है, इफ़ यू वांट टू डू यू हैव टू फॉलो द 3 रूल्स. 3 रूल्स वर: फर्स्ट, you will not interfere in the political affairs of Indian regional kingdoms. Okay. Second, you have to stop your fortification, means you have to stop the forts which you are making at different places. You are making it in Bengal, in different area. You have to stop that. Then pay the same revenue, same taxes as the other traders are doing or other holders are doing. Okay. With this negotiation, pay the same revenue, same taxes as the other traders are doing or other holders are doing. Okay. With this negotiation failed, then Surajudullah become very unhappy, and for that he said that we have to fight with these company people. We have to do something hard. Rules should be done. Something hard should be done over the company. What he have done? He took 30,000 soldiers, his 30,000, to Bengal and arrested English East India Company army soldiers troops in an area, and then after capturing, they took all their items, all their what we are saying, that guns and all the things which have been used for the fighting, okay, in the fight, and then they have captured them and merchandise them in Calcutta, and also stop the fortification, control over fortification उन्होंने control भी कर लिया, और जिन troops को उन्होंने arrest किया था, they been died. Due to this, company become more aggressive, more revenue weighted, like they want that now and something big should be done. For that, company decided to send their troops. उन्होंने अपने troops को भेजना चाहा, कहाँ पे? In the command of Robert Clive. Robert Clive was the commander of the company troops. Okay. Then in 1756, ध्यान रखो, 1756 में क्या हुआ? रॉबर्ट क्लीव विद द कंपनी आर्मी के साथ रॉबर्ट क्लीव हैव टू fought with the Dulha at Plassey. Surajudullah also fought, but in what happened, he took help of Mir Jafar, and Mir Jafar betrayed Surajudullah and then put his hand with Robert Clive, and Clive given him a cure, or we can say give a Clive that we will make you the Nawab of, so you have to betray Surajudullah, you have to take your troops back during the Nawabsi. That he have done, due to which Surajudullah lost the battle of Plassey, and the company won in a form of Mir Jafar. Surajudullah lost the battle of Plassey, and the company won in a form of Mir Jafar. After that, what have been done? His company asked for different number of taxes, and as they been in demands to Mir Jafar, that we will move in further when we understand about the battle of Buxar. Okay, so this is all the battle of Plassey. Okay, and then Mir Jafar was a puppet of English East India. All the battle of Plassey. Okay, and then Mir Jafar was a puppet of English East India. They used that puppet for as much long time as they want. When this puppet, means Mir Jafar, was able to give the tax to company, they remove him and form a new Nawab who was Mir Kazim, and Mir Kazim was a son-in-law of Mir Jafar. Understood? So this was about Battle of Plassey. Now moving forward towards Battle of Buxar. Okay, studied about the Battle of Plassey. Now we have been moving on the Battle of Buxar. तो बुक्सर की जो बैटल है, इसके बारे में हमने कल भी लाइव सेशन में पढ़ा था, लेकिन just on your demand, I have added this battle also in this series, so that those who won't be able to attend yesterday's live class can attend it now. Okay, and this will be remain with you for as in form of notes. Okay, so please note down each and everything from this video. So moving on the Battle of Buxar, what happened? हमने देखा कि हमारे इवेंट्स हो गए, सारा हमारी बैटल ऑफ प्लासी हो गए, ठीक है. बैटल ऑफ प्लासी के थ्रू मिर जाफर का जो मिर काजिम को हमने, मिर जाफर पहले किंग नवाब ऑफ बंगाल बने, एंड देन लेटर और मिर काजिम पे शिफ्ट हुए. मिर काजिम पे किस तरह से शिफ्ट हुए, ये चीज़ हम यहाँ पे बैटल ऑफ बक्सर में जानेंगे, ठीक है. Surajudulha, we have studied that he was been assassinated. Assassinated means he was been में जानेंगे, ठीक है. Surajudulha, we have studied that he was been assassinated. Assassinated means he was been, okay, he was been killed and by the Nawabs, by the company with the help of Mir Jafar. Okay, and Mir Jafar has been made the new Nawab of Bengal, or the new Nawab has been formed and he was Mir Jafar. अब क्या हुआ, मिर जाफर जब बन गए, उन्होंने किसके पपेट थे मिर जाफर? कंपनी के. ही वॉज अ पपेट ऑफ द कंपनी. सो द कंपनी वॉज इंटरेस्टेड इन ट्रेड. वाई ही हैव नॉट बिकम द नवाब? क्योंकि लड़ाई तो कंपनी की हुई थी, लेकिन नवाब कौन बना? मिर जाफर. वाई द कंपनी वॉज नॉट बीन इंटरेस्टेड? बिकॉज ही वॉज इंटरेस्टेड इन trade. He want to do trade, and for that he's been not taking the administration. That's why he made Mir Jafar as the Nawab. Okay, because they want that the people of India doesn't get against of the company and they keep on trading with the other members. Okay, now company to rule with the puppet Nawab also. Why? Because the puppet Nawab also think about the people of India, their subjects, about those who are there under them. Okay, so he also act like a Nawab. He start acting like a Nawab. At points the company have to show their self that we are under the Nawab. So this was forming a very difficulties because of the basic appearance of the dignity. इनको एक डिग्निटी की जो इम्पीरियंस थी वो हमेशा दिखानी पड़ती. डिग्निटी ऑफ सॉवरेनिटी दे हैव टू शो, द कंपनी हैव टू शो टू द पीपल, एंड फॉर बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे वर मेकिंग वेरी डिफिकल्ट, एंड दिस मेड इट टू मेंटेन इट, कीपिंग ऑल दैट डिग्निटी एंड सॉवरेनिटी. इट वाज वेरी नॉट हेल्पफुल. ओके, इट वाज नॉट हेल्पफुल फॉर देम. What they have thought, if we make the puppet as a Nawab, he will rule, work according to us. But at the point that puppet Mir Jafar was being also working or thinking about their people, those on whom he was ruling. Okay, therefore that thing was being better. अब वो battle में कैसे turn हुई, that we need to understand. Okay, what happened? See, Mir Jafar has been protest for the subject, as I told कि वो अपने peoples के लिए protest करता था. Okay, then the company depends that the company want that he should not working here, because अगर ये काम करेगा then it create difficulty for us. Sorry, Mir Kazim. Who was Mir Kazim? Son-in-law of Mir Jafar. He said to Mir Kazim that your father-in-law is not working properly. He is not working according to our rules. So for that you will become the ruler. For that you will become the ruler, and Mir Kazim become the company's ruler. But now Mir Kazim also start working against the company. He also start showing his Nawabipan. Okay, he's also showing that I am a Nawab and I will also work for people and everything. So the company decide that this all things which have been happening is very wrong. So the battle of Buxar has been fought up. Okay, in battle of Buxar, who were the three people? Let me know. Yes, if you attended yesterday class, you would be knowing there were three people. Surajudulha, है ना? One more was there, and Mir Kazim, Mir Surajudullah, and more person was there. You will tell me that name in the comment box. Who will comment that name? Who will be kept as in 1 marks in their Viva. Okay, additional 1 marks will be given to them. You do comment in this video. And who were the three people? Mir Kazim, okay, sorry, Mir Jafar, सुरुजुद्दुल्हा एंड अलहाहा. अलहाहा के पास वो गए थे ना, जो सॉरी मिर जाफर, सुरुजुद्दुल्हा एंड अलहाहा. अलहाहा के पास वो गए थे ना, जो नवाब थे. उनमें एक पर्सन था हु वाज द पर्सन all those three fought battle against Mir Kazim. Okay, and then this was being defeated battle of Buxar in 1764 और 63 में 1763 में मिर काज़िम को हरा दिया गया। इसलिए फिर 1764 में रिफॉर्म करने के लिए, दोबारा रिटेन करने के लिए मिर जाफर हैव री-इंस्टॉल्ड एज अ नवाब because he fought with Mir Kazim and he was being defeated in the battle of, okay, and Mir Jafar want to be reinstalled on the same place. So he said to the company rulers that I will give you more money. And why? Because the traders want to trade, and for that we need money, and that money will be given by Mir Jafar. So Mir Jafar told, I will give you more money, keep me as the king of Nawab of the area, Nawab of Bengal, so that I will work for you and give you money. Okay, this was all about the battle of Buxar. So you understood with all the battles the points which will need to be clear about battle of Plassey and Buxar. Now tomorrow we will take the new topics. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. And the questions which I have asked you in the video,